Hi, I'm going to run through the usage of the long carburetor using the 7-inch touchscreen. So first, the first thing we need to do is to power it on. So we have two switches on the side. We can switch them on both at the same time and wait for the system to boot up. To know that the system is loading, we can look at the screen and you'll see the boot sequence initiated. The UI is actually a Raspberry Pi connected to a 7-inch touchscreen and running a local web server. When the UI boots up, the local server is automatically launched, and the web application is also automatically launched in full screen. You'll see that the window will be maximized, but it will become full screen on the first touch anywhere. So on the home page, what you have is the menu right here. That allows you to go to the maintenance, settings, and calibration page. So the first thing we need to do when we install the machine at first is to go to the calibration page. And from there, we make sure that the whole system stands still and nothing is moving. And we initialize pressure sensor. That will reset the sensors to 0. Now back on the home page, this is where you can start the session. So on the left side, you have new session, which allows you to select a preset. For now, we have a baby, child, or adult. That adjusts automatically settings for the session, depending on the patient target. And then you can press start new. And on the right side of the page, you have the resume session. If ever you want to start again the session that was previously running, or if you went back to this home page and want to return to the operation page. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a new session by selecting the adult preset and start new. So the system is warming up and the ventilation will soon start. On the main page of the UI, you'll have two graphs that you can expand to have more resolution. The first one is the pressure graph that works with the pressure sensors, and the other one is the live flow. This is an estimate of how many liters per minute you're gonna get at any given time. And on the right side you have all the meters. So inhale time and PIP are the settings. You also have readings from the system like the flow, the battery, or the P valve. Those meters are data coming from the Arduino system. So they are there to make sure that the setting that you've set are take into account, but also that allows you to monitor the current session running. To modify a setting, let's say we want to change the frequency, which is by default to 8 breaths per minute. We can click on the meter and then change its target to a maybe more higher value, just so we see the difference. And just looking at the graph and the curve, we see that the system has adjusted and right now it's making more ventilations per minute. To turn off the system, there's a big red off button on the top right corner. So this will bring you back to, you'll have to confirm this, and then it will bring you back to the home page where you can resume the session with the same settings or start a new one. We've built internally into the OS a system that allows you to update the UI, but also the Arduino firmware to the latest version, if ever we're going to push public release and bug fixes. So to do that, you can go in the maintenance page and click on the exit UI button. This will bring you back to the desktop, and on the desktop you have an update UI shortcut. If you click there, it will automatically run an update script. You need to be connected to the internet with the Raspberry Pi using either a cable or Wi-Fi. And this is going to download the latest version that we have on our servers and update the Arduino firmware as well. And once it's done, the wallpaper will change to show you the latest version installed. So then you can run the UI again by clicking on the long Carburetor UI on the desktop. For more in-depth info about the meters and the graphs and all of the UI buttons, I recommend that you look at the UI documentation, which is available on our website or via a shortcut on the desktop on the 7-inch touchscreen.